Hello friends! Today we are reading We Help Mommy. Shall we begin? We help Mommy every day. We help her in the morning as soon as we get up. We take off our pajamas. Bobby puts on his pants and socks and shoes. He can dress himself. I put on mine. Over my head goes my shirt. Oops! My arm is stuck. Mommy will help me pull it out. Mommy buckles my shoes. You're a good girl, Martha, says Mommy. You can almost dress yourself. We all go down for breakfast. Bobby breaks the eggs for Daddy to fry. I put bread in the toaster. Out it pops, hot and brown. You two are a big help, says Daddy. We wave goodbye to Daddy from the door. Then it's time to make Mommy's bed. Pull the sheet tight, Mommy says. We pull until there's not a wrinkle left. Thank you, says Mommy when we're done. Swish, swish goes the broom. Puff, puff goes the dust mop. Brr, brr goes the carpet sweeper as it picks up the dirt. We are cleaning house. Under the beds, over the rugs, and all the corners we clean. Here is a dust cloth for you, says Mommy. Bobby dusts the tabletops while I mop under the chairs. Now it's time to wash. We collect the clothes. Bobby puts Daddy's clothes in the washing machine. I put my dolly's clothes in. In goes the soap. Bang goes the door. Goes the machine. Round and round the clothes go. I can see my face in the shiny glass. My clothesline isn't high like Mommy's. It is just right for me. I hang up Dolly's clothes, 2 clothespins for her dress, 1 clothespin for each sock, and 1 clothespin for her hat. We see Anne and Jerry playing in their sandbox next door. Come on over, Martha and Bobby, they call. Run along, says Mommy. Take your pails and shovels. Have fun. Once a week, we go to the supermarket. I ride in the cart while Bobby pushes. Up and down the aisles we go. What would you like today? Asks Mommy. We tell her cereal and apples and cookies and raisins in a picture book. We pile them on the counter. Mommy has 2 big bags, and Bobby and I have little bags to carry home. We like to put things away for Mommy. The cereal goes in the cabinet, the apples in the basket, the cookies and raisins on the shelf. You're a big help, says Mommy. Soon it is time for lunch. Mommy gets the bread and cheese and meat. I spread butter on 2 slices. Bobby puts meat and cheese on 2 others. Slap! Mommy puts them together. What yummy sandwiches! Now we set the table. A placemat for Mommy and placemats for Bobby and me. A knife and fork for Mommy, a fork for each of us. Napkins for us all. After lunch, Mommy washes the dishes. She lets me dry the forks and spoons. Here's a spoon for you, Martha. I take it from the dish rack and rub it all over gently. Bobby puts the dishes away. I sit on a stool when I help Mommy bake pies. Mommy mixes the dough in a big bowl. She gives me a little ball of dough to make a treat for Daddy. Roll, pat, roll, pat. I'm making a treat for Daddy. It's a funny man with 2 cherries for eyes and 1 cherry for a mouth. Daddy will be very pleased, says Mommy, as she puts it in the oven. We've had a busy day helping Mommy. Soon it is time to put away our toys and books and clothes and get ready for bed. We sing our put-away song. In the box, we put the blocks, the dolls go in the crib, Teddy Bear sits on the chair, puts on his bright blue bib. Daddy comes to say goodnight and tuck me in. That was a delicious treat, Martha, he says. Thank you both for being such a big help to Mommy and me. Sleep tight.